This is greenhouse to implement sustainable development idea for using energy and the water resources. So this house, what you see on the roof, is the photovoltaic system, which will generate about 8,000 kilowatt hour per year, which will provide the electricity for operating all the electricity consuming equipment, including geothermal pumps, which is supplied by open loop well, which is what you see over here in the landscape area, protected by the concrete blocks. So which will provide water for irrigation also. And the geothermal is consisting of 4 zones to heat the house of about 5,000 square feet. And the electricity generated by the full solar PV system is connected with the grid. When it has generated more than the house need, will feed back to the system. When in wintertime, when the electricity generation is low, they will withdraw the electricity from the grid. So it will keep the house in balance. So the idea is to eliminate any need for natural gas or oil for heating. So the house has no gas line or oil tank, and technically has no carbon monoxide or any concerns of that kind. And the landscaping is a combination of evergreen bushes and the flowering bushes and the ground covers. And this is the idea to use the water. All the gutters, it's also get water spread out through landscaping area by a diffuser pipe, so the water will not be piped to any downstream with concentrated flow. A small water gardens was used in places where there's more water coming out. So this is diffuser for one of the downspouts, and this is a planter of a flower. Which will be able to take to the inside in the winter time is a calendula, which is like more like a jade plant. And this is holly evergreen with the Japanese laced maple. And this is another downspout coming in with diffuser pipe, so the water will seep it out around the way. And there's the hostas. And this is another downspout with a small water garden. So the irrigation system has not implemented, but it's an ongoing process. So the water will be impounded in this area and then level spread it out through the lawn. And this is another downspout area with small water garden and level spreader. And the kitchen food waste and the yard waste is handled by this compost. So the majority of household waste is taken care by the compost, and the compost will be used for landscaping and vegetable garden. So the surroundings is like trees around the house. So the house is also constructed with a very low maintenance material, including hardy plank, AZEC board, so the shingle roof, and its patios go around the house. So there's some ongoing work by the owner. And the landscaping area is also fed by some of the compost product, the organic fertilizer from the compost. So we have mint and some of vegetables just started and chives in the area. So the patios also have some porous in infiltrating the water into the ground. So this is what I would call a greenhouse, and if more houses like this can be built, we will have less energy to be consumed, and that energy can be used for manufacturing or some other use. And also it's good for the people, and while enjoy a spacious home, and they don't have to pay hefty energy cost. And so I call it as the greenhouse.